What if every decision you made felt like releasing an arrow? Smooth, certain, and free of doubt. Right now, you might be stuck overthinking, terrified of choosing wrong. But 500 years ago, Japanese archers mastered a better way. They called it Kyudo, the art of the bow, and the secret to fearless decisions. In this video, you'll learn the 8 stages to align your mind like an archer, why your gut is smarter than endless pros and cons lists, and how to release your decision without looking back. Making difficult decisions is an inevitable part of life, whether in business, relationships, or personal growth. The pressure of choosing the right path can be paralyzing, leading to stress, procrastination, and regret. However, ancient wisdom from Japanese Kyudo, the art of archery, offers a profound framework for simplifying complex choices. By applying the rule of Kyudo, we can approach decision-making with clarity, focus, and inner peace. Below is a detailed exploration of this principle and how to integrate it into everyday life. Understanding Kyudo, the way of the bow. Kyudo, which translates to the way of the bow, is more than just archery. It is a meditative discipline that emphasizes mindfulness, posture, and intention. Unlike Western archery, which focuses solely on hitting the target, Kyudo prioritizes the process, the alignment of body, mind, and spirit before releasing the arrow. This philosophy teaches that the true mastery lies not in the outcome, but in the purity of the action itself. When applied to decision-making, Kyudo reminds us that the process of choosing is just as important as the decision itself. Instead of obsessing over results, we should focus on aligning our intentions, values, and awareness before committing to a path. The problem with overthinking decisions. Most people struggle with decisions because they overanalyze every possible outcome, imagining worst-case scenarios or fearing regret. This leads to decision fatigue, where the mind becomes exhausted from constant evaluation. The rule of Kyudo counters this by shifting focus from, "What if I'm wrong?" to "Am I acting with integrity in this moment?" When an archer draws the bow, hesitation or doubt disrupts the shot. Similarly, indecision weakens our ability to act decisively. By embracing Kyudo's mindset, we learn to trust our preparation and release the arrow, make the decision without second-guessing. The 8 stages of Kyudo apply to decision-making. In Kyudo, there are 8 stages, hasetsu, to firing an arrow, each representing a step in mindful action. These can be adapted to decision-making. 1. Ashibumi, footing. Establish your stance. Clarify your core values and priorities. 2. Dozukuri, posture. Align your body and mind. Eliminate distractions and center yourself. 3. Yugami, preparation. Ready your bow. Gather necessary information without over-researching. 4. Uchiokoshi, lifting the bow. Begin the motion, weigh options without attachment. 5th Hikiwake, drawing the bow. Expand outward, balance logic and intuition. 6th Kai, full draw. Reach the decisive moment. Hold focus before committing. 7. Hanara, release. Let go, make the choice without force. 8. Zanshin, remaining mind. Stay present, accept the outcome without regret. By following these stages, decisions become a flow rather than a struggle. The power of Zanshin, letting go of regret. A key concept in Kyudo is Zanshin, the state of relaxed awareness after releasing the arrow. It means remaining mentally present, regardless of whether the shot hits the target. In decision-making, Zanshin teaches us to release attachment to outcomes. Many people obsess over past choices, wondering, what if I had chosen differently? But Kyudo teaches that once the arrow is loosed, there is no taking it back, only learning from it. By cultivating Zanshin, we make decisions confidently and accept results with equanimity. The role of intuition in Kyudo-based decisions. Kyudo archers do not overthink their shots. They rely on mushin, no mind, a state where action flows naturally without excessive analysis. Similarly, difficult decisions often require balancing logic and intuition. Studies show that the brain processes information subconsciously before we're aware of it, meaning our gut feeling is often a compressed version of deep reasoning. The rule of Kyudo encourages us to trust our inner knowing after proper preparation. rather than endlessly deliberating. Eliminating decision clutter with Kyudo principles. Just as an archer clears their mind before shooting, we must eliminate mental clutter before deciding. This means reducing unnecessary options, analysis paralysis. Setting a clear intention, what truly matters. Avoiding external noise, others' opinions. By simplifying the decision process, we act from a place of clarity rather than confusion. The one arrow, one life philosophy. In Kyudo, there is a saying, Ichi go ichi-e, one opportunity, one encounter. Each arrow released is unique and cannot be replicated. This mindset shifts decisions from, I must be perfect, to I will act with full presence. When facing a tough choice, ask, if this were my only chance to decide, what would I do? This removes trivial concerns and highlights what's truly important. How to practice Kyudo decision-making daily. To integrate this approach, pause before deciding, take 3 deep breaths. Visualize the process, see yourself releasing the choice. Commit without looking back, embrace Zanshin. Over time, this method makes even the hardest decisions feel effortless. Conclusion: the freedom of decisive action. The rule of Kyudo transforms decision-making from a burden into an art. By focusing on presence, alignment, and release, we free ourselves from the paralysis of uncertainty. Just as the archer trusts their shot, we too can learn to trust our choices and move forward without regret.